Alright, we are all packed and ready. We're gonna go to Milan first. I have a layover in London, so the first vlog is gonna be pretty long, but it will be nice. I have a lot of work stuff to do, watch some movies. But yeah, on y va! Thank you so much. I made it to Milan. Max just got in as well. It was a long flight last night, but honestly it was so good. I slept really well. We just got ready. Max is gonna grab some breakfast. I'm just gonna probably find a matcha or something because I had some breakfast downstairs. And then we're heading over to Miu Miu to a fitting today for an event tonight. And I just wanted to show you something. So we got this really cute little bag. Thought it would be fun to kind of open it together. I haven't seen this yet, but Max did. This is the Miu Miu Morning Club newspaper. We got a little section about the morning routine. Like, this is so crazy. It's really loud. So we are here doing a collaboration with Miu Miu and Nekohama and Soul Sink Body, and Miu Miu started a Miu Miu morning club, which is all about morning routine, mindful mornings, and we obviously wanted to include a matcha ritual in it because it's a really big part of our life. And this is truly like a dream collab that comes true, and really freaking cool that we're here doing this during Fashion Week. So I'm gonna take you with for the upcoming days. We're heading out to our fitting right now for a little cocktail event tonight, and then tomorrow we have an activation in the store. So yeah, I'm gonna get dressed, put a little blazer on. This one is from the Road. Max also dressed up.
Spang.
So fun. Where are my glasses now? Oh.
Are they on you?
They are on my pants. Alrighty, I'm gonna put my glasses on. Let's head out.
Wow, we look cute.
You look so cute.
You know?
Let's head out. We're gonna explore. Let's go back. Ciao bello. How is your Italian?
I don't have any Italian.
Oh, I'm surprised. Max basically speaks like 6 languages, you
No,
guys.
I speak pieces of
Japanese, French, Spanish, English. We just need to add a little Dutch to it.
Look at that.
Oh my god, it's a really cute little dog.
Whenever I see dogs, I just think of coffee.
I know, we miss Katsu. We're walking over to a coffee shop and then
Here.
we're going. See what the matcha game is like here. Alrighty. Did you just eat?
Something tasty.
Oh no, I want a little snack. I smell it. It's like a little toasty. It smells good. Good morning. Today is our event day. Max went downstairs to grab some breakfast already. I am still getting ready. It takes a little bit longer in the morning. Our videographer is coming to the hotel room first and we're shooting a little campaign video, which will be really fun. And then after, we're gonna go walk over to the store. I think they maybe invited a lot of people. There's also some customers there, and obviously we're gonna introduce matcha. And yeah, I am really excited. It's like, for me, really a mixed feeling coming back to Milan, I have to say, because I love Milan as a city so much, and I think Fashion Week was always like really tough here because it was like the third city and you were already 3 weeks on the road, and a lot of things during the shows, because the shows here are so big and so important because they have so many amazing brands, were always like really late at night. You would have fittings at 4 a.m. and then the next day call times at 6 a.m. So like mentally and physically that was always really tough. So then obviously when you're in a city, it's just so overwhelming, and that was like every year like that. But now it's just fun to be in Milan and just kind of, I don't know, see Milan a little bit more from a different perspective, because I do love the city. I mean, the food is amazing everywhere, Italian food. It's like my favorite, but it's definitely like it's a double feeling for me coming back here, because I have so many memories and also like very hard ones and tough ones, but then I also have a lot of really good memories here. So yeah, that is kind of like how I'm feeling about Milan and like being here. But I'm just like so excited to be here. It was also really fun yesterday. I walked down the street and then there was this was a woman waiting with her kid, and she's like, oh my god, I'm a Soul Sing Body member. And I was like, oh hi, and we like chatted, and I was like, this is just so cool that people are all over the world, and honestly made my day. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready quickly. I think I'm just gonna do a very natural makeup and then a little, just kind of a little wave with like a straightener. I've recently learned that technique and I really like it. It gives a little bit more of a messy look. So yeah, let's get ready. I'm legit out of breath. We were running a little bit late. We were basically running on like max pace. So yeah, I feel a calming Miu Miu morning would be perfect for today. I'm gonna get inside. I'm actually gonna get changed into the pajamas. So let's hop inside. Here's Max setting up the little matcha station.
Cut it perfectly.
Perfect.
Perfect.
No, that looks really good. It's very nice. We are all done. We're heading to Duomo quickly for our last shot. You cannot go to Milan and not go to Duomo. We've never been there together.
I've never been there myself.
Oh, you've never been there yourself?
No, I don't go to tourist places.
Well, you have to see the Duomo for sure. And then I think we need some food because I'm hungry. So yeah, let's go. We are all done. I was hoping to vlog a little bit more on the event, but as you can see, I was pretty busy. I was talking to a lot of customers and like clients and stuff, and explaining a little bit more about the program that I created for Miu Miu, because the whole concept is about only taking 15 minutes in the morning to yourself and in a routine of self-care that can completely change the start of your day. And I think that's really what a morning routine is about, right? It doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be the same every day, but just by setting aside 15 minutes, I think you are completely changing the way you start your day, how you're feeling, and also the choices you're making throughout the day. Because if you start with a good choice in the morning, the chances of making good choices later in the day are just so much higher. I don't know, I think that is the definition of having a successful morning routine, and it can look different for everyone. I prefer to do some type of movement, whether that's a quick stretch or a workout. I like to do a little bit of breathing, whether that is just taking 4 really deep breaths or maybe it's a 2-minute meditation. Also something for my body, like nourishing, like obviously drinking matcha or having a good breakfast. And for the soul, I love mindful writing and just writing and journaling and just doing like a visual gratitude meditation, or just like practice gratitude in that way. So yeah, that was kind of the concept that we were talking about, and it was just really fun to obviously talk to like-minded people and stuff. But yeah, it was so good. It was like a success. It was so much fun. Tonight I think we might go out for some drinks or dinner. I feel Max and I in LA, like we're just such homebodies. Like we barely leave the house. We just love being at home. And I feel when we're traveling, that's when we actually do like to like go out or like have drinks and meet people out. And I don't know, we're just honestly so much more social. You know, when we're going to Japan or now we're in Europe here, I don't know, there's just like a different vibe, and it just like gets me more out of the house, I would say. But yeah, I'm also like really tired after the whole day, so I'm not really sure if that is what I want to do. I think also Max and I have been spending a lot of time apart this year. He has to travel a lot to Japan for Yokohama, and sometimes people ask me like if I miss him and if I'm lonely. I am alone, but I don't think I am lonely, and I think it helps a lot that I have got to obviously with me. But there are definitely moments that I obviously like miss him throughout the whole time, but I also see this as a time where I'm like, we're still young, we don't have a family yet, so like any type of travel and whatever, like this is the time. And I think when a relationship first started, I was the one traveling a lot, and now he's the one traveling a lot, so I am just really loving to see him thrive in Japan and really like picking up the whole story like back with his family, and just like he feels so at home there, and I think he's never really had the long chance to like be in Japan that much. So I really want to support him, and I truly love so much that he is finding his place there, and that he's so, I don't know, there's a part of self-discovery there. And it just also shows me that, I don't know, he's turning 34 in Paris next week, and I think that it's another sign where you're constantly like self-discovery is an ongoing thing, and it's just amazing to see. So I'm just like so happy for him, and I'm like, I want to support him there. But obviously sometimes it can be a little lonely because, you know, in the evening sometimes you want to debrief with each other and things like that. But it's just really nice that we're going to Europe together now and just also spend a lot of time together, because I think that's one of the pros of working with your partner, is that you're actually also, you know, spending a lot of times in these trips. Like we can do that together, so it's been really fun. Anyway, I am tired. I don't know if I'm gonna out yet or just call it a night, but I hope you enjoyed today's vlog and got a little bit of an insight, and then I will see you very soon.